problem, we're trying to get all the subsets for given numbers here. So how do we mathematically get subsets? It's 2 to the power of n, where n is the size of this nums array. So 2 to the power of 3, it's 8. So we have 8 results in here. And 2 to the power of 1, it's 2. So that's why we have 2 results in here. And the way we're going to solve this one, we can do it with backtracking. And in backtracking, we always use DFS. So for the length of 0, we'll have an empty. For the length of 1, we'll have this result with 1. For the length of 2, we'll have this result, etc. And then every time when we compute for 1, we'll just backtrack and then see it for other options, basically. So let's solve it. The end result will be our list of lists, where we will be holding all this result in here. So new array list. And so like I was saying, it's a DFS, so let's define our method. Private void backtrack. We will give parameters in a second, and later we'll just return our result. So what do we need to pass it? Of course, we need to pass our result, which is this one right here. What else we need to pass? We need to pass a new array list, which will be holding the temporary values of it, and it's like adding it to result. So you can just say list of integer temp. What else we need? We need to pass our nums. So int nums, because we need to create all those variations. And what else? We need to pass starting index. So int start. So first thing first, let's add this temporary value in our array list. So we'll be creating new array list, and adding this temp value, and we'll loop from int I start, int I smaller than nums length, I plus plus. Then what we are going to do is like we'll be going to add this nums I value in our temporary value, and call recursively our method, pass this result, pass temp, pass nums, and our start will be getting, next time we will be starting from for other length. And in the end, we can backtrack for other options. So we can just remove from our size -1. That's about it. Let's run our code. Perfect. Let's submit it. So as far as time complexity is O of n times 2 to the power of n, where n is the length of this nums array, and space complexity it's O of n, where n is all those values in our nums.